Good morning, second grade. I'm going to have two visitors today, two mystery people, and this is science class. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to watch a volcano eruption today. Guess what? We're talking about volcanoes. So watch on my phone. Let me go ahead and make sure I put it on. All right, so we're going to, let me just get it. Okay. All right, so you're going to go ahead and watch this volcano. Let me see if the volume's up.
Better stand right here.
All right, so this is a volcano eruption. And that's the lava and steam that comes out. Look at all that steam that is coming out from that volcano.
I can't see.
And here you'll see there's more liquid lava, and sometimes it shoots up high into the air. Now this person, he was actually hurt by the eruption. So his leg got burned in the eruption, and you can see all the ash and different things that came right near that town. So that's the big clouds of smoke. Sometimes when volcanoes erupt, they have big clouds of smoke. Here is the blue flames, because sometimes the chemicals from the volcano, it comes right up from the ground. So you'll see it can catch on fire because it's so hot. There's more lava coming through. It just shoots right out. All right, so that is our little video. Now, we're going to actually make, hopefully, a volcano. Ben, come on the side, Spidey. So I'm going to tell my two helpers today, I'm going to give them instructions, and hopefully they're going to make what is called a salt volcano. So this is the first time I've made this, so we'll see how this works. So the first thing that it tells us to do is to pour into a jar. It tells us to pour into a jar water. So, we'll see. So, Ninja, please go ahead and pour this water. Let's move this back further so you can see. Okay, so he's going to pour the water into the jar. Go ahead, Ninja. Okay. And then Spidey is going to go ahead and squeeze a couple of drops. You can do a couple drops of food coloring. Okay, that's good. Okay, kind of like a volcano. Good. And then we're going to do 1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
Oh, can I do this?
Yep, so you're going to pour in 1/4. So
Is something going to happen if it goes?
We'll see. All right, so go ahead and pour that. Let me just a little bit more. All right, so Ninja's gonna pour 1/4 cup oil, olive oil, could be any kind of oil. Okay, now I'm gonna move it closer so you can see. So you'll see the oil's on top and the water's at the bottom. So I'm gonna kind of hold this up, and then the next thing they have you do is they have you, like this. They have you put in salted rocks. So this is, let me see if I can get it to stay. All right, so we're gonna see what happens. We'll each take a turn of putting, I don't know if it'll work. So we'll try put in some salted rocks. Let me see, so we're gonna see what happens. Nope, it's not gonna do it. We're gonna try to put a little bit of salt in. So I'm gonna put a little bit into Spidey's hands.
Ew.
And he's gonna dump it in. So dump it in.
This is a
Ben.
getting this.
Okay, and watch. Now look what happens as the salt goes down. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna try Ninja. He's gonna put some in. Okay, so he's gonna put some in. Okay. So this is regular salt. So notice with the regular salt, it really doesn't do a whole lot. Oh, did everybody see what just happened? Watch that. Did you see the volcano? So now we're going to put in regular salt. So this would be a volcano that would be in water.
Can we make it explode?
This is how it erupts in water.
Can we make it explode?
It doesn't necessarily explode like if you had like vinegar and baking soda. So this is an underwater explosion. So notice that the lava will continue to go up to the top. So let's put a little bit more
Oh my goodness.
So as you see, the more you put in, the more it erupts.
What? I can't see.
So the lava erupts. So you can look at it there. It's going to start to go up to the sky. All right. So there is our salt lava volcano explosion.
Some of it is coming down, then it's going up.
Yeah. So it falls and then it goes up. So you can make that at your house. Now we're going to actually talk about volcanoes today. So if you, we'll put it in later. So let's go ahead. I have in this mystery box
A volcano.
something that I will let Ninja pull out.
Oh, what? A volcano.
This is, show the screen.
I never
Hold it up.
want to do anything.
That's selfish. I want you to stop.
Huh? It's a lava.
So this is a volcano. Okay, so this is now, this volcano, if you were to describe it, what are some adjectives to describe the volcano?
Brown. Holes.
So it's brown.
It has holes.
It has like the holes in it. It's kind of gritty. We know that most volcanoes,
It gets stuck to my glove.
some are in mountains, some are down in the ocean floor, all kinds of different volcanoes. So volcanoes, when they erupt, they continue to get bigger and bigger. And what shoots out of them, we talked about that, it's called lava. And then lava is actually the melted rock. So lava is melted rock. And when it sprays up in the air, it comes down into what's called ash. And when the ash starts to cool, it gets really hard like a rock. Oh boy.
Oh, you fell.
All right, sorry about that. Now,
This is
Spidey, are you done counting? Spidey's gonna pull out of the box. He's gonna pull out some molten rock. So he's gonna go ahead, Spidey, go ahead and get that rock. And he's gonna show you. So this is molten rock. Go ahead and show our class.
I've always
Put it
wanted
close.
one of these.
So show the class. All right, so this is molten rock. So this is rock that would have been taken from a volcano. Now, usually it's not that pretty. Usually it's black, hardened, and once the lava cools, it turns hard. So sometimes if people have been stuck out in a volcano, they've seen bodies where animals, cars, plants that have been buried in that same shape from just that lava going over them, cooling, and then they're just stuck there.
I've seen a person.
So people have had the magma, the lava go over them. Now lava moves very quickly. Lava moves very quickly. As you'll read in your page today, it blows up from the top of the mountain. There's all kinds of different kinds of volcanoes. Today we're just going to talk about the one where lava comes out. Now go ahead and finish reading page 98. We'll talk more about volcanoes another time. Have a great time. And Spidey and Ninja, they're going to come tell you goodbye. Peace out. Peace out. All right, see you later.